Mar Pedro Cabuay, ay Miss Lana Indal. Florante and Miss Ruth Yadora.
Hello.
Dito muna daw. Tawagin na rin. Kasi diba ang haba?
Dadan. 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 Baka mas...
Dito mo tayo. Ito kayo lahat. Karin lang yan. Ako na karin. May iwan yung mahaba. Ano? Okay na, lakad ka na. Karin ka na. Lakad ka na.
I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. These things I give to you today and all the days of our lives.
I love you for your beauty, your intelligence, your kindness. And for the way you always know how to make me feel so special. So on the top of all other vows that I will make to you on our wedding day, I also vow to always appreciate how lucky I am to have someone who makes me feel the way you do, and to continue to try as hard as I can to make you feel as special as make me feel forever and ever. Habang pinagpuan.
Thanks, sir.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sa singsing na kaloob.
Sa singsing na kaloob.
Pinagkakaloob ko rin sa'yo.
Pinagkakaloob ko rin sa'yo.
Ang singsing na ito.
Ang singsingan mo.
Bilang tanda
Bilang tanda
na ako
na ako
ay nagpapakasal sa'yo.
ay nagpapakasal.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Handang pagkapatan.
Handang pagkakataon.
Paglingkuran.
Paglingkuran.
Hama ko na.
Hawak ako ng
Jesus. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ang mga point, please. They have the point.
Uwi muna tayo! Okay, anyway, let's go! 10 seconds! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Okay, go back here, girls! With the calamansi! Go, 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 go! Up, 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 up! Wow, check that out. Okay, no, relax. It's okay, you're done. Palakpakan natin. Okay, but this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to measure the bottles of the guys and measure the bottles of the girls. And then whoever wins, that's the girl who wins and the guy who wins. Okay, ready? Who